Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we know what time it is. We are less than one trading day away from the SoFi earnings call, which we will be live streaming on this channel. Let's get ready to rumble! What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. We're going to be covering the SoFi stock today, heading into the SoFi earnings. Earnings are going to drop around 7 a.m. I'm not exactly sure what time I'm going to be filming this video, the live stream, but you're going to catch me between 6 and 7:30 is what I'm guessing. So I don't have an exact time yet, but I want to see everybody on this channel. And I think we're going to have a really good SoFi earnings. I'm shooting for 2,000 people live. So let's see if we can get 2,000 people live to show up. That'll be absolutely insane. So be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment for the YouTube algorithm for this video so more and more people can see it, so we can get more people hyped up behind this stock. Guys, it's a cult-like stock. We all know that. They're doing something different. Fintech, digital banking. And guys, we have, amazing numbers, 11 straight triple beats across the board. And I think what Anthony Noto said was the macro is what slowed us down with the higher interest rate environment. That's why you're seeing all this massive shorting. I think Anthony Noto and the team has something special for us, not just a nice triple beat. I think you're going to see some new product launches, guys. We don't know exactly what it is. It could be credit card. It could be business bank accounts. It could be a new UI update. There's so many different things. I think they have something planned up their sleeve, and I'm very, very excited. Let's get into the video. We got a lot of great things for you guys today. We are less than one trading day away from the SoFi earnings on Tuesday. All right, guys, this is a little bit of a, fantasy, conspiracy, judgment. I don't know what to call it, but take a look at this, guys. For the past year or so, SoFi has been getting 3 to 4 nasty downgrades or sell ratings, heading into their earnings report, about a 1 to 2 week time frame right before the earnings. This is the first time in 2 years we've got 0 sell ratings going into the earnings report. I'm talking there's like 3 analysts out there with $4, $5, and $6 price targets. They didn't say anything this earnings, okay? Why is that, okay? Why did they not come out and drop the sell rating heading into this earnings, okay? Was it because the dude from Citron just got, 20 different charges, going against them? Is it because they don't want to, mess up their rankings anymore? I just don't know. Are they flipping bullish? But guys, why are they quiet now? What is going on? Are they flipping bullish? What do you think? Drop a comment. But I'm telling you right now, we've been getting about 3 to 4. It's usually the same guys. Nothing at all heading into this earnings report. The first time. That is something to think about, because they've never done that. There is so many, insiders out there the past 2 years or so, CEOs, CFOs selling stock all the time, especially when their stocks run up high. These guys are dumping like there's no tomorrow, okay? Since June 2022, the CEO of SoFi has purchased shares 22 times on the open market. So he's bought stock 22 separate times in the past 2 years. And guess what? The stock hasn't done anything at all. Go back to the fundamentals, the earnings. 11 straight earnings beats, beating analysts, beating guidance. I mean, what do you want from the guy? He went on the CNBC interview and he told you specifically he thinks, there's a lot of companies that are in lending, fintech related, getting hammered by macro interest rates. And if we can get that off of our shoulders, we can break through this massive short interest that has been holding this stock in that, range for 2 straight years. Anthony Noto, when you combine everything, his buys and his SBC, the dude's got 8.1 million shares. The day I posted this, it was valued at $59 million. So the dude has a ton of skin in the game, okay? And he's been buying the entire time. He's bullish. He's looking to be with the company long term, hopefully 10 years plus. And it's just a matter of time before the fundamentals finally click with the stock and the stock surpasses what's a justified valuation of the price target and goes to fairy tale land. And that's when you might want to trim a little before it comes back to a reality, realistic price target. All right, guys, everybody's always talking about a short squeeze, especially me with the SoFi stock, because we've never seen it. What is a short squeeze? What justifies a short squeeze? Everybody's going to have a different opinion, but we know it's when, the shorts get squeezed, they have to cover, they buy back stock. But I go off of, price target movements. That's what a short squeeze is, in my opinion. And I think you can classify a short squeeze as a 35 to 55% range. That's considered a short squeeze, in my opinion. So I'd like to see SoFi move up over 35% to see a squeeze and, see a lot of these shorts get squeezed, okay? So this is how you squeeze the shorts, okay? It's all about volume, okay? Volume is what controls this stock. You saw, the last couple of days, they ticked the volume down a little, and the stock still went green at the end of Friday. And that's because it's a lot of bullish buying going on. But guys, take a look at the last 4 quarters of earnings volume. We got the last quarter 149 million, and you saw the stock, went red. Basically, it was down 7% when Anthony Noto started talking. So you can see lower volume, you're going to see the stock red. It's just how it works. I think the earnings before that, it went green. So 286 million volume. And then the one before that, it was red again. So 125 million volume. And I don't know exactly what happened here. But guys, everyone that says SoFi just goes green on earnings, it doesn't do that at all. It's been green 2 out of 4 times, okay? This is not a, 100% you're going to, be green on earnings. It doesn't work like that, okay? It has to do with, the guidance that they're going to put out with this macro, these interest rates. So what I think you need, the answer, I think we need to see 350 million volume to get that squeeze. You will see the stock up 35% or more if we get to this level of volume. It's never hit 300 million volume ever, it looks like, okay? 286, I believe, was the highest. So 350 million volume is how you get this thing really, really run. Now, guys, we covered, at the beginning of the video, all the guys, sell ratings, and sell ratings. Understand, there's some bullish analysts out there in the SoFi stock that is not getting any credit, because the stock's not performing. But there's guys out there with some really good rankings. Take a look, guys. We got Peter C from Citi. He's got an $11 price target. There was an error I did right here. These are flipped, okay? So Andrew Jeffrey has the 14, and then John Heck has the 12. 5-star analyst and a 5-star analyst, top 350, top 200. So, guys, SoFi does have some extremely bullish price targets right now. These guys are putting these out, 3, 6, 9 months ago. What do you think is going to happen if SoFi pulls the triple B and blows away EPS full year guidance? I mean, this is going to be a 17, a 15, a 13. We're going to be into, $17, $15 price targets, no problem at all, from professional Wall Street analysts. Not just me calling for a 14. These are professional Wall Street analysts. Look, this guy's got the same price target as me right now, and he's not getting any, people think he's a clown, but he's still holding up his rankings from his other stocks. Wait until this stock, carries the weight. I mean, he's going to have his ranking go up. So, guys, I believe $14 by the end of the year if Anthony Noto seals the deal tomorrow. I'm telling you right now, this can go one of 3 ways tomorrow. You're either going to see plus 35%, everything perfect across the board, a plus 5%, maybe a beat on earnings and then a soft guidance, or you're going to see probably negative 10%, okay? That's the only 3 ways I really see this stock moving tomorrow. And, there's just no telling because you have, defaults, you got, lending slowdowns. You just don't know what's going to happen. What could, really help the stock a lot is if SoFi management announces, some big products like business banking. That's a huge one. More credit cards, okay? And there's something else we need to look at. We can go on to Tevis's Twitter. You guys can follow Tevis on YouTube at Fun of Investing. So, guys, he basically said SoFi's about to release a huge update, okay? Because look at these, version updates. When you, do your update on the, whatever it's called, the App Store or whatever. Look, guys, they went from 2.209 to 2.210, and they just made this crazy jump right here to 3.0. So some people are thinking right now, could this potentially be the Technisys fully integrated SoFi platform, and you're going to get a new UI update coming out? Who knows? But, guys, this could be something that they're going to release on earnings, new product offerings, okay? So big updates are going on inside of the app right now. This is extremely bullish heading into the earnings. All right, guys, so be sure to follow the YouTube channel if you want to get a live stream earnings report. I give you guys my live reaction. I hope we can pull 2,000 to 3,000 people live on earnings. That would be absolutely insane, guys. I really hope, the SoFi earnings goes well. I believe it is. I believe management, has done what they needed to do to increase full year guidance, and they're getting prepared for interest rate cuts. I'm very excited. Once again, my name's Kyle. Hope you have a great day.